how those tiny decisions are adding up, causing you to go into decision fatigue. So, this is how you can win the battle against decision fatigue. Hi, if we haven't met before, my name is Michele and I am a certified online business manager. And I kindly kick digital CEOs out of the back office so they can focus on more sales, more revenue, and my very favorite, more impact. Okay, so as a small business owner, one thing is certainly true. You are making a lot of decisions throughout the day, and that's a lot. You're constantly making decisions. So this is what I want you to do, is I want you to actually take a step back when a decision pops up, and I want you to ask one simple thing. Do I have to make this decision right now, or can it wait until tomorrow? Okay, easy, right? Maybe, maybe not. So then, if the answer is it can wait until tomorrow, I want you to add that to your decision log or your decision parking lot, whatever you would like to call it. And along with that decision, I want you to put a date next to it, like by X date, I have to have a decision on this. So why do we do these things? Because this helps with being able to get all those decisions like in one spot, so you can just go through and make all the decisions at one time. So it's the same thing as time blocking. You're blocking all your decisions. So you're doing decision blocking, I guess you could say. So you want to make sure that you're putting those things or capturing all those decisions you need to make in one spot. And that is best done by putting it on a decision log. So this decision log can be electronic, it can be on paper. It does not make any difference. It just needs to be someplace where you can see it. And maybe as you're starting this out, you need to put a little post-it note on your computer with that specific question. Does this decision need to be made right now? Because that will be a little trigger to your brain to know, oh, well, I need to make this decision, but I don't need to make this now, so I need to put it on my decision log. And then, like I said, you can go to that decision log. If you want to, you would also just put it as a running list of all your decisions as a time block every morning in your calendar. And then, so if I'm sitting at my desk today and something comes up and I'm like, oh, do I need to make this decision now, or can it wait till tomorrow, or can it wait till a different day? Then you can go to that actual block in your calendar for that day and put that decision information in there so that you can go ahead and make the decision at that given time. So that will help you to really win that battle of all those decisions that pop up throughout the day that are taking you away from your creativity and focus in your business, by just putting them in one central location so that you can go through and easily make all of your decisions. I hope that this was beneficial. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.